What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show how to apply material on curved surface in Sketchup. Let's get started. Hello guys, this is VRAY from iConcept Architect, and if you are new to this channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell that comes up next. Let's go straight into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is apply the material on the curved surface like so. As you can see, SketchUp curves always comes with complex geometry, and this can be difficult applying material on curved surfaces. So to correct this, all I have to do is create a projected face. So all I have to do is just draw a line here from the bottom right here and drag it up like so. Click it on the blue axis, drag it to the red axis also, then drag it to the blue axis. So I'm going to close this surface like this. Sorry, I don't need that. I'm going to clean it. Now, the next thing I'm going to do now is apply the material on this surface. Now, as you can see, it's not fitting the surface. I'm just going to right click on it, go to texture, position. Now I can just click on the green button right here and drag to allow the material fit in the surface. After that, the next thing I'm going to do is position the material well on the surface, and then I'll click on enter. Now the material has been fitted, so I'll just right click, go to texture and click on projected. Once I'm done, I'll just click on the sample tool right here, sample the surface and then apply it. Now as you can see, the material has been applied correctly on the curved surface. So that's how to apply material on curved surfaces in SketchUp. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell. See you guys next time.